Hello everyone. Are you wondering what simping means? Let's explore. Simping is a behavior where someone is overly attentive or submissive to someone they have romantic feelings for, often to the point of being self-sacrificing. It usually involves going out of one's way to do favors, shower the other person with compliments, or spend money in hopes of gaining their affection. While similar to the term simp, simping focuses more on the actions taken to please someone, sometimes at the expense of one's own dignity or well-being. The term has become popular in online culture as a way to critique this kind of behavior, particularly when it seems one-sided or excessive. Simping is often seen as a lack of self-respect, where someone prioritizes another's needs or desires far above their own, hoping to win their favor. In essence, simping is about going too far in trying to please someone, often to the detriment of self-respect. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.